How to cut and paste in Excel. So I'm going to show you how to do this on your Windows PC computer or your MacBook laptop. And this is going to be cutting and pasting, not copying and pasting. So usually people would go to this icon here and click copy on a certain one instead of this cut function here and then paste it as so. But with cutting and pasting, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and select the cell or group of cells that you're going to want to cut and paste. Click that cut icon at the top left hand corner there, and then click the cell you want to paste it into. Then just go ahead and click paste. Of course, you could do the keyboard shortcuts of this as well, but that's one option. You can also do that in a different sheet or a different Excel file in general, just by go ahead and selecting the cells or cell, clicking the cut, and then you can click plus to create a new sheet. Click on another one entirely or create a new Excel file, then just go ahead and paste a so in there. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.